So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Kimi K2.6 in OpenCode. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is go to OpenCode website. Here you can either download it for macOS or Windows, or you can just simply come here and copy this link here. Now open the terminal here and move to here. Let me just make it a little zoom here. Now what you have to do is just paste this link and click enter. It will take a little bit time to download. So now, as you can see, OpenCode is installed successfully. Let me just check it by simply type OpenCode, hit enter, and yeah. So now you can see OpenCode is running successfully. Now what we will do is simply we have to just type /connect to connect our providers. Now here you can see there are bunch of Populous and others are available. So what you have to do is search for Cloudflare. Okay, so here comes the Cloudflare Workers AI. Click here. Now we have to paste the Cloudflare account ID. Okay, for that what we will do is go to here, Cloudflare, then click on sign up if you haven't signed up yet. Now here you can continue with Google, or you can add the email and password. I will go with Google. So here you have to just type some questions, or you can just skip here. Okay. Now what you have to do is just go to here, again the link here. When you sign in, you will get this dashboard. What you have to now do is click here, click on AI, then click on workers.ai. Now here you have two options, that is build and deploy a Lalama 3 workers or REST API. You have to click on REST API. Then here this is your account ID. So just copy it, move to your OpenCode and paste it here. Okay, enter. Now you have to paste the API key. For that, just move to here, create a worker API token, then just keep it as it is and create API token. Now here copy the API token from here and paste it here and click enter. Now as you can see here, now our API token is connected and we can use this all the tools here. Okay, now we just move below here and select Kimi K2.6, hit enter, and now you can see Kimi K2.6 is connected. Now what I have to do is simply just type hi and it started connected. And here you can see in the right side the number of token used, then how much percentage use, and how much dollar we spent. So look at this, we have 4% of used with 9,000 tokens we used. That is just saying hello, how are you? So I hope you understand all the things, and if you have anything in doubt like how you can access or anything else, if there is an error or something, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will try my best to figure out and help you with that. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.